In this video, I want to show you how to reboot the infotainment display in your Honda CRV from 2023 to 2026. So let's get started right away. So for the step number one, the car needs to be turned on, obviously, and what you'll need to do is to press at the same time the home button, the back button, and the volume audio button. Press these three buttons at the same time for 7 seconds until you see the diagnosis menu appearing on the display. Then for step number two, you're going to tap on the display where you see detailed information and settings. Select that option. For step number three, once you have selected that option, you're going to see a menu appearing on the display. Don't select anything. Instead, you're going to press at the same time on the back button, the volume audio button, and the button on the lower left side. Okay, press these three buttons for around 4 seconds until you see another menu appearing on the display. And then finally, for step number four, you're going to select System Reboot, which should be the second option in the menu. So simply tap on this. It will take around 2 minutes. The system will restart, and then fortunately after doing this you won't have any issues and you'll be able to use the infotainment display the way it's supposed to. Now, if you're still having problems after doing a restart, I have a few solutions for you. One of the things you can do is to check the fuse box and make sure that the fuse related to the infotainment system is not blown. If you see that it's blown out, well, simply replace it and it should work. Another thing you can try is to disconnect the negative terminal of your battery, the 12-volt battery, for around a few minutes, and after that connect it back. Usually this is another way to do a reboot, but this is a more intense one since the whole system of your car will be rebooted, not only the infotainment. Then another thing you can do is to check if there's a software update available, especially if you have a newer phone. Honda usually updates their system so that the compatibility is kept even if the technology advances. So check this out. And for my two last tips, I suggest you try another phone connected to your CRV to see if the actual device is the issue and not the car, or maybe another USB cable in case you are using a USB. Sometimes these are faulty and not the infotainment system of your CRV. And finally, if nothing works, visit the dealership. There's a good chance that it's still under warranty and they will be able to fix it or at least update your system if this was needed. Please take a moment, leave a comment down below if this trick worked, or if you have any other ways on how to fix this issue, please let me know in the comments down below. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.